How to customize your home screen on Android. This tutorial shows you how to personalize your layout, widgets, and overall look of your home screen to enter the customization mode. First, long press on any empty area of your home screen to enter the customization mode. After that, you'll see a few options appear at the bottom of the screen, including wallpapers, widgets, and settings. From there, tap on Wallpapers to change your home screen background. You can pick from Samsung's built-in collection or choose any photo from your gallery. At this point, go back and tap on Widgets to add useful tools directly onto your home screen, like the clock, weather, calendar, or battery indicator. In the next step, tap and hold any widget you like and drag it onto your home screen and position it wherever you want. Following this, to rearrange your apps, simply long press on any app icon and drag it to a new position on the screen. Once done, if you want to resize a widget, long press on it and drag the edges to make it bigger or smaller. From here, tap on Settings at the bottom to access more detailed options like grid size, app icon badges, and home screen layout preferences. At this stage, adjust the grid size to fit more or fewer apps on your screen, depending on how you like it laid out. Finally, once everything looks exactly how you want it, tap anywhere outside the menu to exit customization mode, and your changes will be saved automatically. And that's it! If this guide helped you customize your home screen on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.